I've just taken the fourth trade of the challenge, and it's a long trade on AUDJPY. So this is the trade I've raised. This is $2.4, $2.4, and I'm targeting 6.46 dollars. So I'm going to go to the trading view to explain why I've taken that trade. So let's go just to the trading view. So the story of this trade started on H4. H4, the price is ranging, as you can see. The price has been moving between these two areas, resistance and then support. So when the price came back to support, I was waiting for confirmation. So my once the price is at support, what I wanted to see was first the price creating massive move, then it's taken out, or sweep of liquidity into that area. So the first thing that happened was this one. This liquidity here, which was the Asian low, was taken out. The Asian low was swept. So that was number one thing that I was looking. Secondly, the price came and sat here for a while. It stayed here for a few hours, around 1 to 3 hours. Then there was a massive sell again into now this area, barely taking out, actually barely taking out this previous area that the price was rejected at when it came to this support. Then there was a bullish H1 candle that closed. So now in other cases, I would have just taken the trade immediately after this second H1 candle closed. But this, because jolts were coming out at 5 p.m. local time, I had to wait for jolt to come out. So immediately the jolt came out, I came to H5 to see where I can get into the trade. This weird price action here is because of the jolt. So remember, just before jolt, the price had pushed low by this a bit of a M5 candle with the momentum. So what I was waiting for is after jolt, I want to see the price close above this momentum candle, at least to show me that the bears are being taken out. Because if this is an M5 momentum candle that has been taken out, then it's giving me some significant confirmation that the price may go up. So immediately the price came above, took out this candle, I took the trade. Now, what my targeting? Let me explain my targeting. I want to make this video as short as possible because I need to do something. So let me explain why my targeting is here. Now, remember the price is ranging, so I'm expecting the price to be playing between the resistance and support. However, I'm not targeting the extreme end of this range. Why? Because the way the price came left some supply here. So there's a possibility probably price will come here and get rejected. But then, if the price come there and get rejected, I'm expecting that probably it will want to take out this zone first as a way of taking out liquidity. So my anticipation that it will take out this high, probably land into this area that looks like an order block here. Let me just turn it into red. Into this area probably now before dropping. So my reasoning was, before the price reaches this order block, probably it will take out something. Now I ignored this area that looks like a supply zone. I ignored it because there's no other liquidity to be taken out before this price lands here. So I'm expecting that this seemingly supply zone is the one that will act as liquidity to be taken out before price could think of coming down. That's why I targeted here. This is not a 1 to 3 trade they usually do, but it's a 1 to 2.69 trade. And the reason I targeted that is because if the price sweeps this liquidity, then we'll be out the market probably before the market thinks of having to reverse downwards. Will that be the case? I'm not sure. Can that happen? Yes, definitely. So it's just a matter of probability, but generally that is the reasoning behind the trade I've just taken. So this is how it's playing out. So far so good. Doesn't mean anything. It can turn anytime and probably whip me out. But if this trade wins, then it will have taken out the drawdown that was caused by the misbehavior I was involved in on USD Swiss franc. Thank you so much for watching. Share, subscribe please the channel, and keep track of the trades. I'll review the trade once it come out and post. You can check the previous post on GBP AUD, on GBP AUD entry and outcome, Swiss franc entry and outcome, USD Swiss franc, and then this one probably after 24 hours I'll have posted the outcome of this trade. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good luck.